A few days ago, a viewer commented on one of my videos saying, "Hi Alston, I have a Facebook group with over 400,000 members. I manage it every day, but I got nothing from Facebook. Any idea how to get money from your own Facebook group?" And this is a really good question because I imagine a lot of people have Facebook groups, but unfortunately they're not making as much money as they could be. So in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 different ways that you could monetize your own Facebook group. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, as you know, having a Facebook group can be a really great way to bring in some extra money. The benefit of Facebook groups is essentially you are building out a community of like-minded individuals and you are maybe potentially moving towards a common goal. Another benefit of Facebook groups is essentially that if your group is providing value and there's a lot of engagement and interaction, Facebook will actually recommend your group to people that might be interested. So it can be a really great way to grow a community. Now, Facebook is used by literally billions of people, so it's a great place to create content. But one of the problems that a lot of people have is simply trying to monetize, trying to make money from their Facebook group. So let's go ahead and talk about 5 different ways that you could actually monetize your Facebook group. Now, before we get started, I should say these monetization opportunities are going to vary depending on where you are and the niche. For example, if you're in like the woodworking niche, there's probably other opportunities versus if you are in, I don't know, some sort of entertainment niche. But know that these opportunities could work out for just about everyone. So let's go ahead and get started with number 1. My personal favorite is actually building an online premium community. So basically what that means is you are going to offer a membership or some sort of program where you are going to offer additional content and value to these group members. Now, the benefit of building an online community is you can build what's called reoccurring income or reoccurring revenue. So every month, as long as they remain a member of your community, they will pay you. Now, I've started communities as low as $7 per month and as high as $99 per month. The amount of money that you can charge really all depends on the additional value that you bring and the niche. So if you are in a very popular niche, a very expensive niche, you can charge $199 per month. But if you are in some sort of niche that's maybe just like entertainment, that might only be like $4 per month. What I would do is I would simply go out and create the premium community. I would use something like School, which is relatively new, and then invite people over to this new community. One of the cool things with School is that you can actually offer a low introductory price. So if you're just launching this community, launch it at $2 per month and say the first 10 people that join the community will get started with this discounted rate. And then every 10 people, we will increase the price $1 or $2, whatever it is that makes the most sense for you. But starting a premium online community can be a great way to make money every single month. One of the challenges of making money online is essentially at the beginning of every month, you're kind of starting over from zero. But if you build an online community, that kind of eliminates some of those hurdles or roadblocks. Number 2, after building an online community that offers reoccurring monthly income, could be simply with merch. Now, if you've got a logo, if you've got a brand, you could actually partner with a company like Spring or Teespring, and they could actually do the merch for you. Now, I did a video a few days ago that talked about Drizzle and how I was actually able to create merch based on this new trend, and essentially that you could do the same thing. Now again, this is highly going to depend on your niche and your community, but you could essentially create merch and you could pin that merch to the top of the Facebook group, and so anytime someone logs in, they see this opportunity and potentially buy. Now, the way that merch usually works out is you're going to go design it on a website like Teespring or Spring, and then whenever someone wants to buy, they're going to click on your link, they're going to go to your shop, and they're going to buy the product. The cool thing with merch is that you don't actually have to create the product yourself. You don't have to store 1,000 t-shirts in your garage. You simply just provide the link for them to go buy the product, and the website like Spring or Teespring will handle everything else. They'll handle the payment processing, they'll handle the shipping, and any returns that you need. So if you have no ideas whatsoever, look at something like merch. Number 3, and I think this is an opportunity that isn't talked about a lot. One thing that you could do is you could actually reach out to larger brands and other influencers that have a following and have maybe a course or something to sell, and you could collaborate with them. Now, what I'm thinking about is something similar to like a shout out. So what I'm thinking about is a website like Shoutcart. And what Shoutcart does is it connects marketers to people that have larger followings over on Instagram. And essentially you could do the same thing. You could connect with marketers and say, hey, I'll host your link I'll post an image or a story for 24 hours and you pay me X amount of dollars. Now, this is a little bit different than affiliate marketing, which I'll mention in just a little bit, but this could be a cool way to make a few extra dollars. In fact, you could negotiate it so that for every 10 people that click on the affiliate link or the link that they provide you, you could get some sort of incentive or bonus, which will incentivize you to actually get them to click and take action. After partnering with other marketers, you can actually sell what's called digital products. Now, a digital product is anything that is delivered over the internet. It could be a planner, workbook, cheat sheet, anything really that is created once and sold again and again and again. Now, what I would do is I would take a look at the digital products that are already up and running within my niche. I would look at a website like Etsy or Creative Market, for example. Don't steal their ideas, but just look at them for ideas and inspiration. For example, if I was in the dog niche, I would look potentially at creating a dog planner or a doggy workbook or something along those lines, and then sell it to my target audience. Again, I would just pin a link to my product or service at the top and then have them click and buy. You can actually get started with creating your digital product for free using something like Canva and or Gumroad. And the final one, and probably my favorite, is actually with affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you are recommending other people's products and services. And the way that it works is, once again, you're going to figure out what your target audience wants and needs. You're going to find different programs and networks that you can partner with. Now, it's very important that if you're getting started with affiliate marketing, make sure that the affiliate program is in line to the niche that you have this large community. It wouldn't make sense that if you have a niche full of basket weavers that you try and get them interested in basketball and clicking on affiliate link. Now, the cool thing is that there are over 10,000 affiliate programs, so you should be able to find an affiliate program based on your niche. Now, it's going to be really, really important that you keep continuously offering value and information and then get them to click and buy. Now, in the past, I've recommended doing something like 80-20, 80% value, 20% sales, and you could essentially do the same thing. And a bonus tip, what I would certainly recommend, if you have a community of 400,000 people, I recommend that you do email marketing. Offer them a lead magnet or something for free in exchange for their name and their email, and then you can better market to them by sending them emails based on things that they might be interested in. If you are really truly serious about growing an online business, you have to use email marketing to do it. Quite honestly, the number one reason is Facebook could shut your account down tomorrow for whatever reason. But if you've got email marketing, you can still follow up with the people that are on your mailing list, and you would be somewhat insulated from any changes from Facebook. So those are my top 6. Let me know which one you think would work the best for your niche. Now that you know 6 ways to monetize your own Facebook group, watch this video next, because it is a free 5-hour masterclass that will teach you step by step how to monetize your social media following.